Hello guys, welcome back to Monet Loves Glam. I hope that you all are having a beautiful day. In this video, I am doing an open collaboration for a beautiful spring Saturday brunch tablescape. The hosts of this collaboration are Fabulous Designs on a Budget, me, myself, and DIYing it, and Shanji living life to the fullest. So in this video, I am going to show you my spring Saturday tablescape. Brunch is one of my favorite meals of all times, and I cannot wait until we're ready to get back to hanging out with family and friends so we can share some quality time and a good brunch together. So first, I'm going to go ahead and get started by laying this mirror down in the middle of my dining room table. And I am following that up with this hurricane glass vase. And I have filled that vase with some faux flowers in cream and blush color. Next, I'm going to add some matching hurricane candle holders right next to that vase. And I am putting these beautiful glammed out candles right on top of that candle holder. Now I'm going in with these beautiful zigzag design placemats that I picked up from Ross. Then I'm going to follow it up with these beautiful glam blinged out placemats. These placemats are actually plastic, so they clean up really well. Now I'm going to go ahead and lay down these beautiful, simple, but classic plates that I picked up at a yard sale a couple years ago. The young lady had a wedding, and these plates were part of her wedding table. So I bought the plates and some salad plates. Next, I'm going in with these beautiful salad plates that I picked up from Home Goods. I am doing this design for the two head tables and then this design plate for the other 4 chairs. I decided to go ahead and mix it up a little bit. Now I'm just going to go ahead and lay down these beautiful blush colored napkins with these napkin rings that I picked up from Z Gallery. I think these napkins go so well with the colors in the faux flowers in the vase. And what is a tablescape without a beautiful salt and pepper shaker set? So I'm going to go ahead and put that salt and pepper shaker set down that I also picked up from Ross. Now for my coasters, I'm going to do something a little different, and I've just used the octagon mirrors from the Dollar Tree. And on top of those coasters, I'm placing these beautiful wine and martini glasses that I have picked up from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross, and Home Goods. Guys, so this is a finished look at the table. I think that this tablescape turned out so well. I love the blush and cream color. It is really giving me those spring and summer vibes. And guys, one of my best brunches that I absolutely love is homemade buttermilk biscuits, salmon croquette, and smothered potatoes with onion. And you know, you always have to have you a great mimosa on the side of that. So that is going to be what my menu will be the next time I have a gathering at this table for brunch. And this is a close-up look of what those individual place settings look like. I just absolutely love these place settings and how they turned out. For all of my subscribers, you already know that I love live plants. So back there in the background, I have a traditional pothos and then a beautiful Ceiba blue plant. And I have a few plant haul videos if you want to go on my channel and check those out if you're interested in what type of houseplants I have. And I also talk about the care needs for them and ones that are really easy to take care of. Guys, I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your family and friends. See you next time. Bye.